Mocha, find! Find! I know I'm standing in the wrong place. He caught a whiff of it. There it is. Good boy, Mocha! On the other game, the container game, we have two big piles of boxes that he has to find it in. Mocha, find! Find! He's sniffing all there. He got it. Good boy, Mocha. Now in this next one, there are some treats just hidden randomly anywhere in the room, and he'll need to come down to find them. Mocha, find. We've been playing this one a lot lately, so he knows this one pretty well. He's got it. He just needs to get to it. He's on top of it. Good boy, Moke. Now, the next step, if you're doing this as a competition, would be to start introducing other scents with it. Typically in the competition, the first scent they use is birch. It smells like a birch beer. And you put that with the food, so that he starts keying in on that scent as well as the food scent, and then you start reducing the amount of food. And at some point, we're not there yet, but at some point you do put the dog on the leash and you lead them around in the search where you don't know where the scent is, but you're watching for your dog to tell you where the scents are. Mocha, find! Now, he got it right away. He's on it. I added some elevation. See, the food's a little higher this time. As they get a little bit better at the game, then you can start putting the food up higher, because in a competition, the scent could be at any height as well. Mocha, find! This time I put it up higher. The best type of scents to use is food that's really smelly, hot dogs, cheese. I use a soft chewable dog treat and kind of mush it up. He's got the scent already. He's got it. Good boy, Moke. There's more up there, buddy. Mocha's eyesight's not the best, particularly up close, so he has to completely rely on his nose to play this game. Mocha, find! This time the food's kind of hidden in a corner in a place where he doesn't typically like to put his nose. Oh, he found it right away. He's on it. Go wait. Mocha, find! You found it. Good boy, Mocha. Good boy. Mocha, find. Oh, he found it right away. Yeah, good boy, Moke. Atta boy, yeah. You're the man. You're the man.